What's up YouTube? Today Looks Motorworks back here today, bringing you guys another tailgate review. And the tailgate is this SK38 set. There's a total of 47 pieces in this set. Each piece has SK's Super Chrome on it, so pretty durable and looking good. Start off here with the Ratchet. These Ratchets have been SK's design for honestly forever, and they got a nice grip here at the bottom. It looks like it might be kind of rough, but it's very, very smooth. Nice head up there, all with lifetime warranty. It also comes here with two extensions. This longer one here I use all the time. Very, for the sockets, handy. We start off here at 6mm and end at 19mm, with the deeps going down to 10. For standard, it goes down to 1/4 inch and goes all the way up to 7/8, with the deeps going down to 3/8. Alright guys, now my honest opinion about the set. I've loved it. I've had it over a year now. Came in perfect. I haven't had any issues with it yet, and I know if I do, SK will be right there to warranty it. So this has been a great set, and there's only one drawback that I can find on this, and this set does not come with a swivel. That is the only one bad thing about this, but besides that, it's been a great set for me. Alright guys, so here another quick thing about SK sockets. My dad has had these since 1981, and they've held up really good SK sockets. Still got them to this day, so yeah, they last pretty long. One more thing I forgot to add here is the sockets are all 6 points. Very handy. I'm not too hip on the 12 points, so very good set. I'd like to thank you guys so much for watching, and good job SK with this set.